Hello, dear students. How are you? Today we are going to learn voice on perfect tense. So today's our topic is voice on perfect tense, and I am Muhammad Arifur Rahman with you. Before starting the topics, you have to know the identification and the identification of perfect tense. So here you can see that when you will get verb in past participle, then it will be perfect tense. But here are some conditions you have. If you have or has, then it will be present perfect. And if you get had, then it will be past perfect. And if you get shall have or will have, then it will be future perfect. So the first condition is the verb will have to be verb in past participle, and the other conditions are you will have to get have or has or had or shall have or will have. And the rules are in present perfect, if you get have or has, it will be have been or has been. And if you get had, then it will be had been. And if you get shall have or will have, then it will be shall have been or will have been. I am giving you some example and look at the screen. Here we have got I have played cricket. So I have played, আমি খেলেছি, আমি কি খেলেছি? So object is cricket and it will be subject. So I have to write cricket. So cricket, and you have only have. Then cricket is third person singular number. Then you have to use has been because cricket is third person singular. That's why you have to use has been. So I'm writing cricket has been. Then you have get played. And then by, and then the object form of I will be me. So we have written cricket has been played by me. And the another sentence is we had played cricket. So we have got had and it will be had been. So subject will be cricket and we have got had, it will be had been. So we have to write had been. And it will be cricket had been played. Then by, and the object from of we will be us. So the answer is cricket had been played by us. And number 3, we have got will have, then it will be will have been. So cricket. Then we have got will have, it will have been. So I'm writing will have been played. And then by, and then the object form of they will be them. So dear students, you can see that if we have, it will be have been or has been. And number 2, we have only had. So I have written had been. And when you will get will have, then it will be will have been. I'm giving you some exercises. I am solving this. Look at the screen. She had black flowers. The object is flowers, it will be subject. The flowers. We have had, so it will be had been. According to whose? It will be had been. So I have to write had been. Flowers had been. Then verb is plucked and past participle form is plucked also. Then by. Then the object form of she will be had. And in number 2, we have got have. Then it will be have been or has been. So object is kites. It is third person plural number. That's why it will be have been. And the verb is flown. So have been flown. Then by. And the object form of they will be them. I'm also marking have been. Then you can see next sentence. We will have dragon a car. So we will have dragon a car. The object is a car. It will be subject. A car. We have will have. It will be will have been. So I have to write will have been. Then verb in past participle. And then by. And the object form of we will be as. In number 4, we have I have made a plan. So object will be subject. A plan. And we have had. So it will be had been. Then verb in past participle made. Then by. Then the object form of I will be me. We can say another sentence. We will have sent the maid. So the object is the maid. It will be subject. So I have to write the maid. Then we have got will have. It will be will have been. So I have to write will have been. The mail will have been. The verb is sent, and it is also past participle. The mail will have been sent. Then by. And the object form of he will be him. So the answer is the mail will have been sent by him. And the last sentence, we have taught English. So here the object is English and it will be subject. So English, and English is third person singular number. That's why we must use has been. So we have to write English has been. Then verb taught. Then by. And The object form of we will be us. So the answer is English has been taught by us. So here you can see that in number 1, if you have had, then it will be had been. And if you have only have, then it will be have been or has been according to subject. If the subject is third person singular, then it will be has been, and if the subject is third person plural and another person without third person singular, then you have to use have been. In number 3, you have got will have, then we have to write will have been. And in number 4, we have only had, so I have to write had been. And in number 5, we have got will have, I have written will have been. And in number 6, we have got only have, and I have written has been. Why I have used has? Because English is third person singular. That's why I have to use has been. Now look at the screen, and you have some homework. You have to write this. You can make a screen share. And I have given you only 10 sentences. You have to do this. So that's all. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.